A lesser-known tax credit available to small businesses is the Disabled Access Credit. This is a non-refundable credit available to eligible small businesses who want to provide access to persons with disabilities. An eligible small business is one that has either earned less than $1 million or has no more than 30 full-time workers in the previous year. The Disabled Access Credit is worth 50% of a small business's access expenditures up to a maximum of $5,000. Now, I have recently discovered a unique way to leverage this credit, because while you may think that the Disabled Access Credit is only applicable to removing architectural, transportation, or physical barriers that prevent a business from being accessible, did you also know that the credit applies to websites? You may not realize this, but under the Americans with Disabilities Act, a business must ensure that its website is ADA compliant. So what steps can you take to make your website more accessible so that way you can take advantage of this $5,000 Disabled Access Credit? Well, the first thing you can do is take a look at your website's color contrast, because people with limited vision or color blindness cannot read text if there is not enough contrast between the text and the background. Another thing you can do is check to see if there is a lack of text alternatives on your website's images, because people who are blind will not be able to understand your content and the purposes of those images, such as pictures and illustrations, when no text alternative is provided. If you are embedding videos on your website, make sure that they have captions, because people with hearing disabilities may not be able to understand information communicated in a video if that video does not have captions. Lastly, you can ensure your website offers more than mouse-only navigation, because people with disabilities who cannot use a mouse or a trackpad will not be able to access your web content if they cannot navigate your website using only a keyboard. Thanks for watching another episode of Tax 411. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and follow us on all social media platforms.